Ciao! Magandang buhay! Madami kayong nakikita ngayon sa social media about digital marketing. Pero hindi niyo alam kung ano ito at paano ito simulan. Hello, ako po si Dali Ordinario, resident in Milan, Italy, presently living in Poland, and originally from the Philippines. Digital marketing is an art of promoting products in the online space. Merong physical products na minamarket by online and ang kita nito ay 100% na nakukuha ng taong nagbamarket nito. Ang digital products naman, kagaya ng affiliate marketing, minamarket ang products sa hindi nyo pagmamayari pero ang kapalit ay ang komisyong nakukuha. Napakadaming techniques ang pagdi-digital marketing. Pero syempre, kailangan nyo ng time and effort para mapag-aralan ng mga techniques. I started 2023 sa digital business. And I once before a full-time manager for almost 24 years in Milan, Italy, before I became a full-time digital entrepreneur. This business is an affiliate marketing, and the type of marketing that we use is attraction marketing by using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. Dito sa business na ito, hindi mo kailangan magbenta ng produkto. Walang inventory. Kailangan mo lang ng cellphone or laptops and internet connection. Pwede mong gawin kahit na anong oras o kahit saang lugar. Or you can create your work-life balance na gusto mo. It pays taxes and you can have your tax refund kung saang bansa ka nandoon. You will have a mentor, a coach to be assigned para mag-guide ka along the way. Magkakaroon ka rin ng sarili mong training site na pwede mong balik-balikan anytime. You will have your own website and a panel to control your leads. If you want to know how to start this kind of business, me and my business partners will help you buy. Just simply message me directly and I will answer you back as soon as possible. For more dagdag kaalaman or para sa dagdag kita, just click on the website below and follow me for more. God bless everyone. Bye!